Hello everyone, this is Victor from Loftman Machinery. Maybe you want to know our companies more, so let's see our factory. This is the order line 8 for our domestic market, and see our engineer is testing the machine, and there's a line 2 for the foreign market, and we have many order line assembling orders, and this is the line 6 for the foreign market, and see the color is blue. And this is the TGF latch machine. Now our engineer is testing the machine. So all this material we made by ourselves. So we will ensure the quality is good. And here is the small duct machines for the air duct making. And over there is for the fire damper machine assembling. It's the half-made workshop, so all these products are waiting for painting. And here is our routing workshop. We buy the raw material from the suppliers. We have the stable suppliers, and we will make sure the quality is good. And here is our painting room. Our standard color is blue and white, and we can also customize the colors for you as long as you send us the color card.